In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete website GoDaddy tutorial. We're going to take your GoDaddy websites plus marketing site offline so it's no longer visible to the public. Think of this as removing the site from the internet without erasing your content. Your pages stay in your account and you can bring them back later if you change your mind. Before you start, consider saving any text, images, or design notes you might want later. A few quick screenshots or an export of key content can be handy. Begin by logging into your GoDaddy account. Use your usual credentials and make sure you're on the main dashboard. If you manage multiple products, this helps you land in the right place quickly. Once you're in, go to your account area by clicking your profile icon, typically at the top right of the page. From there, choose My Products. This opens a list of everything associated with your account, organized by product type. In the product list, look for websites plus marketing. That's where GoDaddy groups the website builder and its connected tools. Find the site you want to take down in that section and click Manage. This opens the site's management dashboard where you can access editing, publishing, and settings controls. Next, select Edit Website. This launches the site editor, which shows a live preview on one side and your editing tools on the other. Give it a moment to load. Large sites can take a few extra seconds. Inside the editor, open Settings. You'll usually find this in the top area of the editor window. Settings is where you control things like your site status, domain connection, and other global options. In Settings, look for the option to unpublish or a published-unpublished toggle. Click to set the site to unpublished. When prompted, confirm that you want to remove the site from public view. This doesn't delete your content, it simply makes the site invisible to visitors and search engines. After you confirm, your site will no longer be accessible at its URL, though it remains in your account for editing and republishing. A couple of final tips. If you need the site back online later, just return to the editor and publish again. Your design and content stay intact. Unpublishing won't cancel your domain or billing, it only affects site visibility. It can take a little time for search engines to reflect the change, but new visitors won't see your pages once it's unpublished. That's it. You've successfully taken your GoDaddy website offline while keeping everything saved in your account.